back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to split screen multitask on your brand new M1 iPad Pro. Now the process is very easy. How it's going to get broken down though is you will need to open an app on your page, and we will essentially be loading an app from our dock onto the same page. Now not every app is multitask compatible, but you can actually place, I think, every single app on top of another app if needed. So let's take a look at the first app. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and bring up something like, that's a bad example because I already split screen multitask there. Let's go and get into this panel, which is our Files app. As you can see, I have a bunch of stuff here, but let's say I wanted to load up my Safari browser to the right side. Well, all I would have to do is ensure that the Safari browser is down here on my dock, or I can go ahead and open up my Safari browser and load up the other page instead, the other app that I need. But in this case, we already have the Safari browser down here. All we need to do is go ahead and swipe up just like so, and essentially just drag our Safari browser to either this side or the other side of our specific page. So you can see now we are now in a split screen multitasking panel. But let's say, we didn't want to do that. Let's say we wanted to have our Safari browser here, but we wanted another app, but maybe it's not compatible. Well, instead of split screen multitasking, you can actually place that app on top of another app by doing the same thing. So what we want to do is we want to grab the other app, so let's say the App Store in the specific case, and as long as it's in this little panel, like this little half app thing it looks like, you want to go ahead and place it onto another app. So this is a cool thing. I mean, I like this. It's literally just like in an iPhone 12 type of layout. You can still use the other app. The advantage of this is that more apps are compatible. I mean, I think every single app is compatible this way, but not every app is compatible in terms of split screen multitasking. Now you can still drag this here and bring it to the other side if you want to. On top of this, you can drag it, make it smaller or bigger depending on what you want. And that's essentially it. That is pretty much the main layout here. So that's how you split screen multitask. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.